Hey guys, Tane here, and thanks for tuning in today. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. If you are a ride or die and you've been here with me for a while, thanks for tuning back in. And if you guys can see this dry bush that I have on my hair today, it is wash day. So the company Tangle reached out to me and they wanted me to review their deep conditioning mask, which is their Tame That Mane Coco and Guava Melt Hair Mask. And since it's my wash day, I said, okay, let me go ahead and get this done. Let me bring you guys the goodies. If you're like me, I'm 4 type, and on my wash day, I must deep condition. So I was super excited when they wanted me to review their products, and I was like, yes, because if it's something that is going to moisturize my hair, make my hair more manageable, smells great, and gives my hair right off the back. I know my hair loves the argan oil, the avocado oil, and the shea butter that's in this conditioner. So I know based off those ingredients my hair is going to agree with it and is going to love it. Along with the hair mask comes a detangling comb, and it's one of the bristles is like this. I'm definitely going to use this when I'm detangling my hair, and I normally detangle my hair thoroughly with a comb or a brush when I add my deep conditioner. So you guys, I'm going to stop with all the chit chatter, and we're going to start by shampooing my hair, and I'm going to do that off camera, and I'm going to come back when it's time to deep conditioner. So you guys, enough with all the talk. Let's get on to the video. Let's get on to the video. Let's get on to the video. Okay, you guys, so I'm back and my hair is freshly shampooed, and I just put my little terry cloth turban on here, but we're going to dive into these products. And it says, after shampooing, apply the show-stopping mask generously throughout your hair. Comb through with our detangling brush and allow mask to set for 5 to 15 minutes. Rinse and enjoy soft, healthy, bouncy, than ever luscious little locks. Now, what is claiming? It says the superfoods aren't just for eating. Treat your hair to revitalizing blends or superfood ingredients. Tame That Mane mask nourishes your frizz, adding back in your natural shine and vibrance, remedying damaged or dry hair, whether from dye, heat, or the environment. We've got you. So that's what it claims. It claims to reduce frizz, give my hair back its natural shine, and moisturize it and make it soft. So we're going to put it to the test and see, does it claim what it does, that it says that it does. Alright, so I'm just going to remove my turban, and this is my hair. I didn't do any detangling, but just finger detangling as I shampooed my hair. And you guys, if you've been following me for a while, you know I always put my hair into sections. It just makes life so much easier. So I just take my big ragtail comb here, styling comb, and I just make 4 sections. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I try to do a less elimination as possible because it's not detangled. Okay, so before we get to applying the product, let's get into a little bit unboxing. This is what it looks like when it arrives. It comes in this cute little adorable tropical packaging that it says made with love from Texas. You have the product itself, which is the hair melting mask, the Coco and Guava hair melting mask, and it also comes with a brush. The packaging is super duper cute. It's right there straight in your face. bright pink colors, and it's simple but bold. Okay, so now that my hair is detangled, I'm going to go and add a generous amount of this conditioner to my hair. And it smells amazing. I can smell fruit. It smells very tropical, remind you of coconut, guava, and mango, and it's really super thick, and that's what I look for in a deep conditioner. Thick, something that's going to stick to my hair. Immediately after I apply this mask, my hair is beginning to soften, my curls are formed, and it just has so much slip. It's just gliding through my hair. Now I'm going to take the detangling brush and begin to tangle at the ends and work my way up. And just that fast, my hair is detangled. And I didn't think I was going to like the brush because you have to hold it in the palm of your hand, but it's easy to work with. As you can see, I can put my hands, just glides in, and my curls are beginning to form. Like I said, my hair feels very soft already. So I'm just going to twist it and clip it away so it can stay tangle free. Now I'm just going to repeat each section, add a generous amount. You guys can see how the curls are forming, and it's just melting into my hair. When they named it Coco and Guava hair melt mask, great name, because it's just melting into my strands. Can you guys see that? To give you a side-by-side comparison, I should have did it in the beginning, but this is without any products and this is with the products. Okay, so I just added a plastic cap. You can add a plastic bag or whatever you have. I'm going to get add my turban back on. This is just to create a little bit more heat so it can do what it do. And like the instruction says, allow to stay on for 5 to 15 minutes. So that's what we're going to do. And once I rinse it out, I was going to show you guys what state my hair is in once I rinse this hair mask out. Alright, so I'll be back. Okay, so I have rinsed the mask out, and this is what my hair is looking like. As you can see, my curls are formed. It's really soft. My hair is still tangle free. See how easily I can finger comb my hair. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and style it, and then I'm going to come back and give you guys my final thoughts on Tame That Mane by Tangles, their Coco and Guava Melt Hair Mask. Hey you guys, so I'm back with my final results and my final thoughts of Tangles Tame That Mane Coconut and Guava Melt Hair Mask. So I know it's a mouthful. But I must say I really thoroughly enjoyed this product. It left my hair really soft and manageable, and that's the one thing that I got out of it. It's really soft and manageable, and it made detangling super duper easy. I don't know if it was because of the brush or the product or the combination of both, but I can say when I added the product to my hair, I can feel it melting. I can feel my curls getting very moisturized and hydrating. same thing. But I really felt the difference. I allowed it to stay on my hair for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then I rinsed it out, and I sectioned my hair off so it won't go back into go back into tangling together, because I do have coarse hair. So once I rinsed it out, and it was maybe like an hour or two in between when I styled my hair, I end up putting it in a pineapple. So I took all the twists and I pineappled up, and I wore a scarf because I went out to dinner. But even when I took the scarf down and I began to style, I did a twist and rod set on my hair, and it was still very manageable as I was twisting my hair, and I didn't have to go back and detangle each section again. So that I can say, it does detangle. It is very moisturizing, and it did melt my hair. So those are the three things that I got out of it. Okay, so let's get into, does it do what it claims it does? Now it says that the Tame that mane mask nourishes your frizz, adding back in your natural shine and vibrance, redeeming damaged or dry hair, whether it's from dyes, heat, or the environment. We've got you. Now as far as frizz, I will say that as far as frizz, there's no way of eliminating, or as they said to me, what was the exact words, instantly banish frizz. I won't say that it instantly banished frizz. It did reduce the amount of frizz that I have in my hair. Now I will say that it really did reduce the amount of frizz that I might have in my hair, and that's just something as a natural. We're going to have frizz. We're going to, once we get to picking and we're in the environment, our hair is going to naturally swell up and frizz, and we're going to lose curl definition. Me, I don't mind it. I'm used to it. With my hair texture, I'm not going to have super duper curly defined hair. I know that about my hair. But it did soften my hair. It did replenish my hair, because my hair was dry, because I was coming out of a protector style. Will it cause it, and it's really soft and really bouncy, and it did give my hair a lot of shine. And when I styled, you guys, I only used two products, a leave-in conditioner and a mousse, and that's it. So I really want to put the product to the test and see if it really worked. I know that it softened my hair, because this portion right here in the back of my hair, right above the nape of my hair, where babies normally lose their hair, that's the coarsest part of my hair. And most of the time I have to add a lot of product to that section right there, because it is normally times so coarse and so rough and hard to manage. So I did notice that part of my hair being soft and more manageable than usual. As the scent did last for maybe like a day or two. I did notice it, but like I added the leave-in and the mousse, and they had a scent of its own. But before then, as I was waiting to style my hair, this scent did last, and it's not an off-putting scent. It's really, it smells like coconut and some type of tropical fruit. It's like a tropical smell. Like I said, coconut and like mango, guava, that type of scent. It smells very tropical. The packaging is super duper cute. It's simple. It's bright. It's tropical, which I like. And it also comes with a free tangling brush, and I really did enjoy this brush. And I was hating in the beginning, because I thought, I normally don't like brushes that sits in the palm of my hand, but I guess along with this product, it made detangling and deep conditioning my hair so much easier. If you want to give this a try yourself, please make sure you go check out Tangles at tanglesclub.com. I'll make sure I put the link down below. Clickable link. Go ahead and check them out. You can also find them on Instagram at Tangles. Yeah, so this is something that I will continue to try. My first initial thoughts is I really enjoyed it. My hair is very soft. It is vegan and cruelty free. Everything is here is all natural, which I love everything on the ingredients. I can read and I can understand. Know what. Make sure you go and check out Tangles. Check them out. If you like, go ahead and purchase it. Also, you guys, follow me over on Instagram and Facebook. I am on Instagram as Tanel26 and Kinky to the Core, and I'm on Facebook, my business page at Kinky to the Core, where you can find hair inspirations and the wigs that I make and all those good things on all my social. And if you haven't subscribed and you want to be part of the Kinky Girl team, it's free, you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notification. That way you will be alerted anytime I upload a video. If you have any questions in regards to Tangle, their Coco and Guava melt hair mask, please feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or you just want to chit chat. Make sure you put a comment down below. Thumbs up this video, you guys. Let's give it up to 100 likes. I know I can get at least 100 likes, you guys. So go ahead and hit that like button. Also, share this video if you must. If you know someone who is a 4 type girl and they're looking for a deep conditioner, or a deep conditioner is just as important to them as it is to me, go ahead and share this. Go ahead and share this video. And you guys, you already know. Thank you for watching. I love you girls for watching. I will see you in the next one. Oh, and don't go anywhere. Right here, check out my latest videos. Alright, bye.